For my passion project, I've chosen learning beyond the classroom. My driving question is, can the level of education be improved by learning beyond the classroom? Benefits of learning outside the classroom consist of making learning more engaging, make learning relevant. It nurtures creativity and imagination. It can reduce behavior problems, exposes students to new opportunities, better grades, better health, and it can decrease stress levels. Make learning more engaging. Students in traditional classrooms will often wander off during instruction time, although students tend to be more engaged during a hands-on lesson. Make learning relevant. When taking learning beyond the classroom, we allow for students to make real-world connections and understand what they are learning is relevant for their futures. Nurture creativity and imagination. This allows for our students to have freedom to explore and grow as an individual. It also opens up their thinking and problem-solving abilities, which catapults them to a new level of learning. It can reduce behavior problems as well. Rules do have to be altered when moving learning beyond the classroom, although children are less likely to act up if the consequence is going back into the classroom. It can also expose students to new opportunities. Some of our students will not have the privilege to go to new and adventurous places, but we can apply field trips to our curriculum and provide students with real-world experiences that they may not get anywhere else. Better grades. Studies have proven that when learning is moved outside the classroom, that the students' cognitive abilities are better developed, resulting in a better ability to learn. Better health. Research indicates that too much indoor overstimulation can cause anxiety, depression, and even obesity. Students need to be able to burn energy and have a brain break throughout the day. Decrease stress levels. When serotonin is released in the brain, it produces feelings of safety and well-being, and hearing sounds of nature activate the release of this hormone. Regular aerobic activity can decrease overall levels of tension and alleviate and stabilize your mood. How often should we take learning beyond the classroom? For most teachers, it's not possible for them to go beyond the classroom on a daily basis, although it is beneficial to try to do this at least once a week, even if it is for just a small period of time. Studies have shown that students need at least 30 to 40 minutes of outside time a day to improve their engagement in the classroom. This would be considered the student's recess time. Even if the weather is bad, you can still utilize the sources like indoor recess or other activities that allow students for a brain break and movement. I hope that this opens your mind to the many benefits of learning beyond the classroom and that you will utilize this strategy in your future classrooms.